We're about to show you how to do the ultimate defense, the Muay Thai long guard. We're going to show you the simplified way to apply the long guard, specific details that you need to have an effective long guard, and we're going to give you guys some attacks that you can utilize while actually doing the Muay Thai long guard. Are you ready to give him that sauce? My man Red. First things first, how do we hold the long guard? Show him, Tito. Very nice. His hand is next to his eyebrow. His elbow is protecting his rib. We don't want to have it flared out. If you do long guard here, okay, sure enough, you stopped him, but what's going to stop him from body kicking? Wham! Right at that lower rib. So again, that long guard, up, perfect, very nice. He has the elbow to protect the rib. He's in a square stance. He has the palm not down, your palm is going to be up. This gives you about 3 or 4 points of defense. Now, first point here. Second point of defense is that elbow protecting that rib. Third point of defense, you see how he has a square body, but his foot slightly out, so he can block the low kick there. Boom, perfect. Square stance, so he can even block the rear kick. Boom. So theoretically, all points are covered, but that doesn't make it perfect, but it does make it ultimate. To make it perfect, you have to utilize the footwork on the line, meaning the footwork is here. He comes forward, I long guard. If he hooks, it doesn't matter. Boom, I half a step back, uppercut. Look, boom, here, overhand, bang. Everything is protected. Leg kick, bang. My elbow isn't super out. My elbow is a little bit down. It's not super straight. So you're gonna have your elbow just a little bit down. The reason why is because he kick, body kick, it's easier to catch. So you know we're playing a game of milliseconds. If it's super straight, he kicks fast, he can pull back easy. Boop, you see it's a little bit down, a little bit, not super straight, a slight bend on the elbow. Not only that, but they can parry your hand down. If he come forward and I'm super straight, oh, so easy, elbow, boom. So here, have a little bit of play in that lead hand. Those are a few key principles we're gonna start off with. Square stance, right hand to my eyebrow, protecting my rib, not flared, but protecting my rib. Palm up, not palm straight. A little bit of play in that lead hand, not super straight because we don't want to get countered. So if they come forward with the attack, look, boom, come, boom, boom, see? All right, come on, pop, side. I'm backing up slightly. I'm giving myself room. Backing up slightly is going to protect you from that uppercut, overhand. It's really going to protect you from that jump knee. Those are the biggest concerns, in my opinion, when somebody's holding that long guard, is that uppercut, yang, or even a jump knee, boom. You want to be not so strong on your feet, more light on your feet. Stop him with that initial stop. If he stops, good, now you can attack. If he tries to bulldoze through with punches, bunches, a barrage of punches, I would take a little bit step back, but keep the long guard. Make sense? All right, so now let's give these guys a few attacks that they can use off the long guard. All right, into our long guard, square stance, long guard here, very nice, free throw. Very good here, protecting here. And remember, we don't want to get super locked right here because you still have the hole in your defense. So when you're blocking the uppercut, remember, turn the chin slightly. So it goes from a long guard to like a 4 guard. Boom, right there. Then it goes right back to the side of his head. Because what if I say uppercut, boom, then I hook, boom, then I low kick. Boom, everything's protected. We've given you the gist of the long guard. We're giving you the basic principles of it. The square stance, the arm that has a little bit of play in it, but it's still strong. The palm up, the protecting yourself here, protecting your ribs, protecting the eyebrow from the hooks and the uppercuts. So when we're doing the Muay Thai long guard drill, this is how we start off. Start off at the end of the line with your partner. You put your partner or your student into the stance, into the frame. Let's go. Bam, that's the frame. Here, make sure the palm is up, make sure everything is good to go. And what I do is I slowly throw my control punches at him just to give them the habit of seeing the shots and knowing what to do. So we're not going to start welling off on them. We're going to take our time and let them crawl before they walk. Hands up, there we go. Remember, you want to have a little bit of give in your legs, not super straight. That makes you a little bit immobile. So have a little bit of give in your legs. So we give me the long guard. That's how you block the uppercut. That's how you block the hook. You block the bar. Yep, there you go. Bang, good, bang, good, bang, good, bang, good, bang, 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 good, bang, good, bang, bang. There we go. One more time. Start off at the end of the line, nice and strong. There we good. Very good. Fuerte, mucho fuerte. Uppercut, bang, hook, bang, overhand, uppercut, Overhand, good. Hook. Stay in the middle of the line, not in the middle. There we go. Uppercut, hook. Up, body shot, bang, there you go. Bang. So that's the long guard drill that you can apply to improve yourself at this. It's very important. The ultimate defense is the long guard when done right. Also, the chin. Is the chin up, down, or tucked?
It's tucked, super tucked.
What do you mean by super tucked?
You tuck it right into the shoulder right here.
So show them without bringing this hand up. What does it look like? Right there. That's perfect. Good, good. Remember, guys, that the palm is up. You can't see anything. You don't know what's behind that door. You don't know if it's an elbow or a knee. You don't know. Now, make it straight. You can see. You can see his eyes. You can see whatever's behind that door. If you're on the defensive end, put that right there to blind them. That's what it's going to look like. POV, first person. Boom, they can't see anything behind there. So palm up, shoulder tucked, elbow strong. Elbow down just a little bit. That way, just in case they kick, you can catch it real easy and light on that back foot. Like if somebody starts punching, look, I'm not just going to stand here like this. No, you're going to get murdered. Punch somebody, punch, throw it, bang. Bang, 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 good. So now we gave you the offense. We're not going to let these guys just punch on us like a heavy bag. We're going to long guard, we're going to confuse them, and then we're going to give them something to think about. An attack. Would that work?
Yes.
All right. First things first, we're going to go with the knee. A good way to use those knees is to throw off the opposite shot. What I mean by that is, if I say wham, wham, and I stop, what's the opposite shot? That one, because it's open here. Let's say I say wang, wang, wang. D, yes. So you have to work on your timing. Practice slow, and then the habit will come. What about that body kick? I know you're pretty good at this one. So you give them a long guard. Boom, 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 wham. The important thing about that close range body kick is you really have to step out. You really have to take a big step. Yeah. So that way he's punching, you can kick, wham, you get him backwards. He's punching and he's close, you long guard. A soft kick won't work. He's going to run right through that. So you have to give yourself room. Go give yourself room. Bang, bang, bang. Look at that room he has. And from there, wham, fast and hard. Bang. So he bang, bang, bang. And he wham, right there. Get him back. Fast. Practice on the bag. Long guard, long guard, long guard. Half a step back. Open up. Wham, fast as you can. Another one is the foot sweep. So he long guard, long guard, long guard. From there, sweep. Good. Very nice. One more time. You're going to long guard, long guard, long guard. They're boxers. They're trying to wail on you. Most likely that foot is going to be in the middle of you, especially if they're big punchers. They know how to punch. They're not punching in the square. They're punching with their foot on the line. So I boom, 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 boom. And you sweep. You really got to get it. Sweep it. Sweep it. Don't just touch it. So he boom, boom, boom. Oh, good. Very nice. That was a quick snippet of the full version that we offer on the KMA Online Muay Thai Training Program. Click the link in the description or the pinned comments and register now. And also click our store link for all your Muay Thai training gear needs and KMA apparel. And don't forget, click this next video for more KMA Muay Thai tutorials on our YouTube channel. We know you'll enjoy it.